Bitcoin dipping, crypto dipping. I don't have a lot of time. Obviously, I'm in my car right now. I'm going to tell you why I'm in my car right now. It's very, very special news. But I want to do this quick message, this quick video. I have to take a deep breath. Crypto's down. It's red. The charts are red. What's going on? And right before I did the video, like right now, we're around 163 days past Bitcoin halving. That's the starting point. But I wanted to say, if you go back to last Bitcoin halving, 2020, May 2020, and just, I want you to do this on the daily chart. And if you don't want to do it, it's okay. I'm going to explain to you. Around 163 days after the Bitcoin halving, last cycle, Bitcoin just kind of went through this 20% or so consolidation. It was looking bad on the charts. And that last 20% consolidation was the last like major kind of consolidation of that sort before the parabolic bull cycle. And if you know what I'm talking about, 163 days past both 2020 Bitcoin halving was around mid-October, late October. So you know what happened next. November 2020, the Bitcoin bull market doors being broken. That was a very fun time to do technical analysis. We were waiting very long for that moment, and it happens. We're approaching that moment, this cycle, and notice what happened. We've had even greater consolidation. I think around 30% consolidation on the Bitcoin charts, like a half a year of consolidation across all of crypto, Bitcoin charts included. And if anything, even from a macroeconomic standpoint and what's happening right now, Bitcoin and crypto are even on a more solid foundation for a parabolic bull cycle. And that's not to get hopium out there, but I'm trying to paint a picture here. And if you look back on that chart, even after that 20% dip and we start cruising to the upside, what I really want to point out is you can open up any daily chart on Bitcoin and look at this. Go back to mid-October, late October. One thing that I guarantee that you will see are red daily candles. Red daily candles. And I think right before I did this video, I measured one because I was just kind of messing around. I want to see how drastic some of them were. I measured one daily candle. It was like 14%. And I think if you go even further into the last parabolic bull run, these big red candles happen. So I'm saying right now, on a red day, crypto, I can't pull up the charts. I'm saying right now, zoom out. Realize, even if we're about to get this parabolic bull cycle, that does not mean green candles across the board, green candles nonstop. We never dip, we never consolidate. In fact, if you want a parabolic bull cycle, we want big dips. We want major consolidations to happen. These throwbacks to these moving averages that we always talk about on the YouTube channel, they're so important. And right now, obviously, I can't bring up the chart to see where we are in terms of moving averages and support. But right now, the red candles are incredibly important and meaningful in a good way to the parabolic crypto cycle that we all want to see. And this is just charting, technical analysis, fundamentals that I'm discussing. This is normal stuff, very commonplace type of stuff that is occurring. I'm not even talking about what's happening with, China. I just did a video on China, money printers, interest rates coming down, everything that's happening with interest rates here in the States, everything that's happening with elections, everything that's happening with the timing of cycles around all of these events, all the things that are happening with ETFs and institutional adoption, and how this cycle truly, even from an actual technical analysis perspective, for instance, Bitcoin breaking all-time high before the Bitcoin halving, this cycle is actually a little different. I know it's kind of like a meme, this time it's different, but this time it's different. There are actually really key data points that are suggesting things are a little bit different right now. And we have to wait to see how things play out. But in my opinion, when you zoom out on a crypto chart or a Bitcoin chart and we look at cycles, I think things are different in a pretty bullish way. I think that whether we get daily dips or even a little longer term dips, like the 6-month dip that we're in, this consolidation phase that we've been in, I think there's not a lot that can hold crypto down in the long term. There's not a lot that can hold Bitcoin down. And so, yeah, maybe we have to just kind of go through these dips. That's the name of the game. This cycle, last cycle, the cycle before. You can go to the very beginning charts on Bitcoin. There are massive, massive daily candles. So I wanted to just put this message out there because obviously I can't do any in-depth technical analysis on crypto markets, But this dip that's currently happening right now, it's hardly even a dip. This is like a nothing dip. So wanted to mention that. Zoom out on the charts, kind of a quick reminder today. And the other thing is this, most importantly, everybody, I'm at the hospital because wifey went into labor. So I'm really excited to kind of go in there, and I ran out to my car real quick, and I'm really excited to go back in there as we get ready. Who knows what the day may bring, but definitely praying to God that we have a safe, healthy delivery, and really looking forward to welcoming my son, Isaiah, into the world. So appreciate you all watching, and I'm gonna get back in there, get back to it. Hang in there, everybody. Everything's all good. Dips are normal. I would say dips are actually good. So appreciate you watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, hit the notifications. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button for Isaiah. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.